So this is how 200 bulbs look like.
Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So I'm really excited because I have a really amazing project for today. I will plant bulbs for the spring. The majority of them are tulips because tulips are my favorite flower because they usually flower on my birthday. I always wanted to have alliums in the garden, so it is a really nice opportunity to plant some. These tulips from the brown bags are actually from a friend from the Netherlands. I don't have pictures with the varieties yet, but hopefully I will have next year. But I will tell the names of the varieties so you can search for them on the internet. So this one is called Royal Virgin. I have 20 of these. This variety is beautiful white. These ones are called Blushing Lady, and this is a combination of yellow and pink. I have dahlias with the same color combination. I have 40 of these and another 40 of the Siesta variety, which is a beautiful parrot tulip. And it is a combination of white and pink, which is really nice in the garden. I have 80 of these mixes called Spring Bliss. It's a combination of whites and pinks and purples, so my favorite colors for flower beds in the garden. This is a mix of alliums, purples and whites. I'm really excited for this project, you guys. I can't wait for spring so I can see them flower. So let's go.
So when I opened the brown bag with the Royal Virgins, I had a really nice surprise. There were 40 bulbs instead of 20 in the bag, so I'm really happy about this. So I have 200 tulip bulbs and 20 alliums. So I was thinking to start with this pot. This flower bed has changed a lot since I planted it. Initially I planted the rhododendron here where the roses are now, but this pot receives full afternoon sun, so I have no idea what was I thinking planting a rhododendron here. I planted these two white roses a few weeks ago, and rhododendron is now moved behind the cottage where it receives only morning sun, so it's fine now. So I was thinking to plant the parrot tulips here and some of the Royal Virgins. This is another good spot here for tulips. I was thinking to plant a group of Royal Virgins here, behind the lavenders and around the tree rows. And I estimate about 25 tulips here. So this is the next spot in the rock flower bed under the bloodwood Japanese maple behind the lavenders. So I was thinking to plant the 40 Siesta bulbs here, the ones with the yellow and pink flowers. I think they will look so pretty here. So I was thinking to add here the Spring Bliss mix of tulips, the combination of whites, pinks and purples, because it will be a perfect addition to this spot behind the boxwood hedge on either side of the pathway. So I have 80 bulbs and I will have 3 groups on each side of the pathway, 4 groups with 13 and 2 groups with 14 bulbs, so there will be an equal amount of flowers on both sides of the pathway.
It is really important to plant the bulbs in the correct direction. You will need to plant it with the pointy side up because this is where the roots will form, this is where the stem and the flowers will form.
It is really important to add the soil carefully because it can turn the bulbs upside down and it will be really hard for tulips to bloom. So I'm all done on the other side. I already covered the holes. I also finished 2 of them on this side and this is the last one. Okay, so now we are under the Japanese maple. I already prepared the soil and I will plant 3 groups of Siesta bulbs here. And we're done with the Siesta tulips. I'm really excited about this. So there is 27 bulbs here, so my estimation was pretty good. And we are done with this pot too. So this was quite a bit of challenge, this pot. I removed a lot of soil here, and I will plant the parrot tulips here with the leftover royal virgins. Oh, this looks great, you guys. I really love this mulch. Okay guys, I'm sorry, my camera died, so I have no footage of it, but I planted the 20 alliums here on both sides of the trellis behind the climbing roses. I'm really happy with this project, you guys. Thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!